Greetings world! Today we're going to replace lower engine mount, which is known lower transmission mount. This is a new one, in good shape. You can see that, like so. For this job you need 12mm socket for removing the bottom under engine shield, 18mm socket and 14mm socket. That's it. And also I'm using impact wrench, which makes everything easier and faster. Let's get under the vehicle right now. Now we're under the vehicle, and that is the place where that lower engine mount, transmission mount, aka located. This boy will replace you. Thank you, sir, it's a long time, but now it's time for you to retire. You can see it's done. Rubber bushings poured out the turret. Please remember, every time when you are using the power tools or your safety goggles, that's a good practice. So we're moving to 18 volts. So there's another guy. There we go, nice and easy. Next we're removing two 14mm bolts. Then this half-inch socket and the braking bar. Alright, got them loose. With the braking bar, it's hard to get there with the impact. Oh, my light's falling. That's it, push it hard. Here we go. Just gonna turn them by hand. There's the last bolt. Every time when you do repairs or anything else, do your best. Follow that Sigma rule. Do it perfect, I can say. Like that, that's broken. Well, time to put a new one. Yeah, as you can see, there's no rubber left holding the bushing inside. Yeah, luckily we have time to do that today. There's our new one. Will serve us another, I hope, 100,000. I put light coat of anti-seize lubricant. Put the bolts back, like so. Installation is opposite to removal. Started by hand. Like, see, I have that little copper anti-seize compound. Will make my life easier next time when I have to take those nuts off. Tie the rig bolts. The 18mm nuts. Tight enough. And snag them, and I just torque it. Roughly should be like 50 foot-pounds. It's hard to get there with the wrench, but you can go by feeling. and one fall off. All right, it took us 5 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it will help someone. That is my goal. And yeah, stay tuned. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe. All right, have a great day. See ya.